Do pull-ups on the cannons? I gotta do 50, so we just gotta do this really quick.
Drop down, give me
Okay.
25 push-ups now.
3,
Count
4,
them out.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Thank you, sir, for the 1,000 bits.
Sir, yes, sir. 1,000 bits. Thank you very much. Woo! My app crashed. Nice. The app crashed. Cool. I missed all the shit that you guys said. Alright. Do I have to buy a ticket over here? This place closes at 4 p.m. How much is it? Ooh. Hello.
Do you already have a ticket, or do you still need to purchase one?
How much is one? I don't have a ticket.
The regular ticket is $19.
$19.
Yeah, we're a non-profit, so
Oh, I see.
stuff for restoration goes into tickets.
Jeez.
And then we have to do touchless ticketing. So if you have
Oh,
a
I
phone,
see.
Just go to our website, which is it's on the bottom of this banner right here. If you're interested, but you see it's pacificbattleship.com.
Got it. I have a question. How long does it take to experience the battleship?
It kind of depends on the person. On average, we'd probably say about an hour.
About an hour?
Yeah, because unfortunately, we have to
An
close
hour.
off some of our sections because
Yeah.
in LA, we're still in phase 2.
Gotcha,
so we
gotcha,
can't
gotcha.
have any of the indoor spaces.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what was the website again?
It's at the bottom of that banner, but pacificbattleship.com.
Got it. Thank you.
And if you're not interested, just remember that website. You can come back on a later date, no problem.
Okay, I'll consider. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
It's $19. 19 bucks. I only really have in half an hour to experience this, so maybe we shouldn't do this today. Unless someone gives me $19 right now. Chat, what do you guys think? Let me think about it. Let me take a look. Damn, it's more than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like $7. If it was like $7, then I would do it. Better to go buy a gram at the weed shop. I would say not do it. Shit. $19 for 1 hour? It's steep. That shit's steep. And I can't even guarantee that there's gonna be connection over here. Shit. It looks pretty cool though. 30 minutes not worth. True, dude. If only I didn't have to do Postmates. If only I made enough money live streaming. If only I had made enough money doing Twitch, I would be able to check this shit out. But I have to do Postmates in an hour. Damn, it's pretty cool though. They got cannons and stuff. Yo, a Twitch viewer, thank you for the follow. Drive across the bridge or something. There's a donate command? Oh, I didn't know that. Take a selfie? Let's take a video. Yeah, maybe it's not really worth it. I'm afraid I won't be able to stream on the inside of the battleship, right? Because the whole thing is made from metal. Let's take a picture. Y'all sunk my battleship. It's pretty cool though. Maybe This would actually be pretty good content to go to the San Pedro night market, have lunch, and then come here, or vice versa. And it would be pretty cool to do this with another person, right? Damn, look at this big ass fucking rope. What if I just climb the rope? I just climb the rope and I get free admission. Let me just climb up there. Nice. Donate command is default. Bring a date and have the Titanic moment. You guys got the ideas. Look at this big ass piece of shit. Woo! Fatsu says LA Zoo reopening, time to visit on the Discord. So actually my original plan today, the LA Zoo just opened today. And my original plan was to go to the LA Zoo, but that means I would not be able to, excuse me, I would not be able to do Postmates, and that's like, I don't have enough money for that. Damn, are these torpedoes? Whoa. That's crazy, what the fuck? Green torpedoes. Ask Ness to come here with you. Coconut wants aerial GG. Hey, I want to do a stream with Ness though. Ness and I, we got to do a collaboration. Do you have time this weekend? Let's collab. I want to collab with Ness. I want to do a weekly collaboration stream, and I'll have a guest every time, and we'll do John versus guest event. IRL streamer. Battleship docking stream with Nest. Alright, let's just chill here for a little bit. We'll come back next time. It's pretty cool though. You gotta cosplay Venom, otherwise Nest won't collab with you. I don't have one of those things though. Let me point this way so you guys can see the battleship. Those are probably the shells for the cannons, not the torpedoes. Oh. Sounds like we have some people who know about naval warfare. Does anyone know about naval warfare? They're not torpedoes, those are the shells meant to be fired out of the cannons. Oh, we got two people. We got a couple experts. we got a couple experts in the aquatic battle, frontier. Torpedoes are typically much longer and have propellers at the end of them. That's what I was thinking. Maybe there's like a propeller at them, but I guess no. I guess these are the shells of the whatever. I'm a military history nerd. Cosplay as Mary Jane. Oh yeah. Mary Jane. I'm in love. Can I be Shocker? I want to be the Shocker. Shocker. I took a tour on a submarine. Torpedo are hella longer. There's actually a place nearby here that has like a torpedo or something on the side. It's like a huge long cannon thing. It's pretty crazy. But it's quite of a walk on the ways here. I saw it when we drove. I'll show you a naval. Let me see that naval. Lazy Dude says, yo, you F with Jollibee? Hell yeah, dude. I'm Filipino. Jollibee's awesome. I love Jollibee. Unfortunately, I can't eat it on this diet. I'm not saying I haven't already eaten stuff that I shouldn't already eaten on the diet, but everything on the Jollibee's menu is not very diet friendly. What's up, chat? So I think I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. Let's have a just chatting, we'll just talk. I have to head back to Koreatown in maybe like 20 minutes. So we can chat for about 20 minutes, then I'll head back home. And then I'm gonna do Postmates for the rest of the night, and then maybe I'll come back and do like a I'm thinking about doing a GTA stream. But we can just enjoy this battleship, and we can come back. We can come back. It'll be the third time I come back to this place. What if I Postmates and you show up? I live in K-Town? It's possible. It's possible. I had to side squat through every hatch because them doors were hella small. Can't believe my ass fit in the submarine. I've been into the only submarine tour that I've done is the one in San Diego. And was there another one? I might have done another tour, but I'm not sure. For sure I did the San Diego one. There's a battleship in San Diego, and they have one of these bad boys. I like the color. It's gray. It's a nice battleship. A nice looking battleship. Chad, if you were to rate this battleship on a scale of 1 to 10 on how beautiful this guy is, would you do this battleship? If this battleship was a girl, would you have sex with this battleship? What would you rate her? This is the SS Iowa. Or Iowa. Iowa. This is the SS Iowa. Is this not a beautiful battleship? Hmm? Oops. Did you see the hospital ship where... Did you see the hospital ship there when it pulled up to San Pedro? No. Hospital ship? There was a hospital ship? I didn't see it. No. I wasn't paying attention. I was only looking at my food. My delicious food. Chad, I gotta take a shit soon. So we gotta go home before I gotta poo. I could feel it coming. Maybe if I can get home in about 30 minutes, I could take a shit at home really quick. I'll let the poo push down to my lower intestine, and then I'll drop it off at home. My favorite place. YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Go shit and do Postmates? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It's exactly my plan. We're gonna go shit and then do Postmates. SS means state ship? I don't know. What does SS mean? Let's ask Google. What does SS mean? That's not what I said. What does SS stand for?
SS stands for Schutzstaffel.
Schutzstaffel? The Schutzstaffel was a major paramilitary organization under Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party in Nazi Germany. What the fuck? What does SS stand for in ships?
Steamship.
Steamship.
According to Marine Insight, ship prefixes used on merchant
Oh. It stands for steamship. Where's my speaker? This shit was telling me some fucking Nazi stuff. USS is a United States ship? Oh. Hold on. What does USS stand for?
USS stands for United States Ship.
Uh-huh. United States ship. Okay, let's play this fucking YMCA.